I think it's a great opportunity for us to get involved in driving donations to help the unfortunate. So with that opportunity to be first mover for Pastamania, we jumped at a chance to kind of participate in the whole program, the Change for Charity program. Well, first things first, I think the idea is we kind of incorporated what we wanted to do. We have an order at table system where it allows customers to donate whilst ordering and make it frictionless. On another note, we've also committed to match dollar for dollar. So I think that's a key thing, and we hope that the people will give freely from their hearts. Generally, the feedback has been very good. I think we started the conversation with our team members on the why, and which is the main driver for us to get on board. And I think them seeing that we are facilitating this has resulted in a lot of good vibes amongst the team members. Most definitely, I think the key idea is that they were starting this for the F&B side. We are the first to jump in, and the idea is to be able to then work together to basically convince other partners to come on board. The idea is to make it so easy for people to donate that we'll be able to drive our programs in the community chest even better.